Hello guys, so today we have an upgrade of our smart fan circuit. In our previous videos, you can remember we have been using a switch to turn on the circuit, but from now we are going to be using infrared sensors to detect an object in front of the sensor in order to power up the circuit. So if I just place my hand like that, then the circuit is on. So I can just adjust the speed if I want to, like that, or reduce the speed. You can just reduce it like that. And if you want to turn off the circuit, you just press this button and then the circuit goes off. So this is basically what we are going to discuss today, but it's not a very hard circuit. I've done a lot of videos on how you can connect an IR sensor. So basically here we have two sensors. We have the transmitter and we have the receiver. So these both of them are combined to what we call an infrared sensor. So the first one is a transmitter and the other one is a receiver. So once I transmit infrared rays and an object is in front, then those rays bounce back to the receiver. The receiver gives the signal to an LM358, which is a comparator. Has two comparators and it looks like this. So one side is the positive and the other one is the negative. So the positive we call a non-inverting input and the other input we call an inverting. So the non-inverting we connect to the IR feedback, this blue LED from the receiver, and the other one we connect to V reference. So this is the V reference, this port meter. Then the output goes to trigger the rest. So how the comparator function is that when the non-inverting is greater than the inverting, then it gives an output. Yes, so that's the working principle of the comparator. So if the IR gives us more strong signal than the V reference, and this whole circuit or this whole system is just to show or to allow the user to adjust the sensitivity of the sensor. You can either adjust the sensitivity or reduce it using the V reference. So you can just go and adjust this point if you want to increase the sensitivity or reduce it. And that signal from the comparator, this output goes to trigger a bistable NE555. You can remember I've done a lot of videos on how you can connect an NE555 in bistable mode. I'm still going to put the link in the description for you guys to go and check. Then once it triggers the bistable, it stays on for as much period of time as well. Even if I go and place my hand again, nothing will happen. It's still going to be on. The only way to turn it off is just pressing the switch. The switch is connected to pin number 4. Yes. So yeah, and from there the rest part of the circuit is what we have been having. The port meter controlling the speed of the of the fan via the MOSFET. So this is the linear mode which we were discussing last time on how you can control the speed of the fan. So that's basically how the circuit is. So if I place my hand, I can adjust the speed of the fan how I want it, and I can reduce if I want to, like that. And if I want to power off my circuit, I just press this button and the circuit goes off. So that's basically what I wanted to show you today. I hope you have learned something. I'm going to place the link of the IR, how to connect your IR to circuit or to make an IR sensor circuit, and I'm going to add another link for an NE555 connected in bistable mode. Yes, for you guys to go and check. Yes, so I hope you have learned. If you have any questions, you can just ask, and if you have any suggestions, just leave them in the comment section and I will be glad to answer you guys. So thank you. That has been my time, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.